This question is, how would you describe your musical style? And how does this single reflect your identity as an artist?
I would describe my music style is honestly I like everything. I love everything. I want to learn how to be versatile because in case if someone asks you to sing this song, okay, I like it. And then yeah, dapat versatile yung boses mo.
Thank you. For the next question is for Sir Benny. Pwede niyo po bang ikwento sa amin yung naging creative process ninyo, like writing, recording, and producing this track or this song?
Inaral namin yung what song should be right for Shane since dalaganding na siya. So, nagsip kami ng kwento about young boy, hindi naman exactly relationship, pero yung mga crush na pag, alam naman natin yung mga kilig na kailangan ganun ng So, ang nagyayari, so I did a lot of research, yung bagay na pwedeng carry ng bagets. So, ganun ang ginagawa ko every time I'm writing a song for a project.
Thank you so much and congratulations po.
Next one, thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Attorney Don of Channel 23.
I love you!
Hi, I love you, kabayan. My question is, you grew up in Canada, right? Bakit hindi ka doon nag-pursue ng iyong career? Bakit dito sa Pilipinas?
I wanted to come here to Pinas because it's easier to do the stuff in person. Because the recording, I can hear what Sir Benny wants, what Tita Nadine wants, and everything, the best that I can deliver comes from the producer, the director. So it's better to do it here than in the Philippines because in Canada there's no one to help me deliver it properly. So it's better that I'm here in the Philippines. So.
Okay, my last question is, parang it's very easy for a newcomer to be known in the industry, especially if you have collab with a rapper, mga rappers. Are you open for collaboration kung sino ang rapper na ito?
Opo, syempre po. Yeah, that would be such a cool dream to pursue. So I'm looking forward to that also in the future.
May naisip ka na ba kung sino ito?
Ang dami.
It's like you have a lot in mind. Okay.
There's a lot of good yung mga rappers na pwede natin, why not? Why not? Kasi ang present music is of course yung tinatawag natin na Gen Z market. So,
Yes.
so well, kung ano yung tingin natin which is appropriate for present. So, pag-iisipan natin yan. And we're looking for someone na pwede nating makakolab sa isang project.
Yeah, with Tito Benny being around it, Tita Ladine right there, you're in the right place. Okay,
Thank you,
next.
thank you.
Thank you very much.
Samantha. Hi Shane,
Thank
congratulations.
you.
Speaking of collab, nabanggit kanina, syempre, ngayon recording ka, tapos darating ang araw, magko-concert ka. Sino ang gusto mong makakolab sa concert?
Sorry.
I would say Beanie po because their generation is like the same as mine. We can get the same audience and build bigger fans or yung character together. So hopefully po.
Okay, thank you.
Next question, please. Thank you very much.
Hello po.
Sir, Net 25, one of AP network here in the Philippines. I would like to ask,
Nagre-react si Hile. Okay.
you're familiar with Sir Benny, right? How big composer, as composer Sir Benny. Can you give us some songs that you want to revive na hit songs ni Sir Benny sa tour mo?
Ano din ang ginagawa mo? Any of the songs na sinulat ko na kilala mo?
Maybe Till My Heart Breaks.
Sample.
Hindi ko lang yung lyrics.
Hindi mo lang lyrics. Anyway,
Sir, kapag may bibigyan pa ng opportunity, bibigyan niyo po siya ng isang revival songs na.
yeah, why not? Kung if tingin natin bagay sa present market, gano'n naman ito. So, kumbaga parang pinanganak uli yung kanta. So, we do a revival which is medyo fresh yung treatment at saka arrangement.
Shane, can you give us some brief background of yours doon sa
Canada.
sa Canada?
Toronto ba kayo? Taga Toronto.
Doon ka ba pinanganak or dito ka pinanganak tapos nag-migrate kayo, doon na kayo residency, doon ka
I was-
nag-aaral, anong course or...
I was born and raised in Canada po. We came here for vacations, sometimes Christmas. Then now I'm here again for this media launch.
Shane, alam mo ba, niready na ng ating spinner yung Tilmine Arctics.
Nice! Oh,
May leading spy.
a very rare chance for everyone to win.
Are you willing to try?
Actually po, can I try the Forever's Not Enough?
Okay.
Forever is not enough.
Mali yung nilagay mo -1.
Always ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
Si Pao laging ready napaka matikas yan.
It's in love with you the way I am. Your love is something no one ever can replace. I can't imagine life with someone else. I promise I will share my life with you. Forever may not be enough, it's true. My heart is filled with so much love I feel for you. No words can say how much I love you so. Forever's not enough for me to love you. I'd spend another lifetime, baby, if you ask me to. There's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so.
Hello po. Sobrang mas na-appreciate namin yung voice mo. Kaya mo pala talagang bumirit. And speaking of birit, di ba? Hindi mo ba naisip na sumali sa mga contest before?
Here in Philippines, no, not yet. But
Yet.
not yet. I'm planning to. I really want to. I want to try. But in Canada, I've been doing these little singing competitions for experiences. Even though I don't win, which is completely okay, as long as I have the experience and I know what it's like, then I'm happy already.
Thank you. And last question is, alam naman natin, di ba, iba na rin kasi talaga ang music industry ngayon na marami na rin sumisikat sa social media, iba na yung trend, kumbaga. So, how will you keep up with the competition?
Honestly po, I never really thought of that. But, I think I mean, I do. I need to do more training po sa yung stamina ko. It's not the best yet, but I'm working towards there. And I feel like if I work on my stamina, then I'll be better to deliver a better performance and hopefully everyone will like it. So that's my plan.
Okay, here in the Philippines kasi, singers are not just singers. Minsan yung iba nagiging artista. Ikaw ba, pwede bang mag-enter ka sa showbiz aside from singing?
Why not?
There's a chance, I guess,
in case na you will be laughing
to penetrate the industry.
Dito kasi sa Pilipinas, always yung stepping stone nila is a hit song. So like, a very good example is Sarah Geronimo.
Yeah.
So she started as a singer, and then nung sumikat na siya, naging artista na siya also. You do think na pwede mong gawin in case there's a chance
There's an offer.
you came up with a hit song and biglang na lang may isang opportunity na kakatok sa pinto mo na pwede kang mag-artista?
Honestly po, acting is not my strong suit, but I'm willing to try. I want to take lessons to get better so that I'm better at, other stuff that artists do. So if there's an opportunity like that, yeah, why not? I need help, but
Thank you so much, Shane.
We love the honesty, Shay. Okay.
Hi, Shay. Ay, kayo muna kay Sir Benny. Sir Benny, kasi po, di ba yung my boy? Eh, kasi 17 pa lang siya, wala kang jowa, 16 rather. So, bakit yung po naisip niyo na i-compose para sa kanya?
Para kailangan natin yung kilig eh. Alam mo yung kilig ng mga bagets, yun kailangan natin makapture eh. And presently, ang market natin, so medyo R&B yung ginawa natin, which is the music of the kids. So, sumabay kami, given na nakakakanta siya ng ballad, so sabi ko, let's try an upbeat song muna. And hopefully, pag ito, kasi me as a record producer at songwriter, gine-gauge namin is what is going to be the acceptance of the market. Kung ano yung ilalabas namin. Kung sa tingin namin, magpe-pay off itong ginawa natin na upbeat, so pwede namin sundan ng another upbeat. If not, we can come up with another genre na mabagay pa rin sa kanya.
Yeah, thank you po. Shane, since the title of your song is My Boy, if you're ready to fall in love or to have a boyfriend na, what are the qualities you're looking for a boyfriend?
Meron ka bang crush dito sa local or...
That's what I was asking her earlier.
Are you familiar with young actors here in the Philippines like Donnie and Daniel Padilla, Inigo Pascual,
Kilala mo sila?
Opo.
mga cover ka sa 25.
So meron ka bang crush sa kanila na... yung ba medyo may kilig factor pag nakikita mo sila?
Yes. On TV or personally.
Okay lang si Mami.
Ayan, Mommy's there kasi. Diba?
Hindi siya familiar sa mga survey.
Hindi, kilala niya yun.
At yun
Yes. Not ready yet. Probably. Not ready yet.
Ayaw niya lang mabuking.
I would say, I like Donnie Padilla. Wait,
Dodi pa din.
Donnie, sorry, oh my God.
Kalinag.
And Daniel, they're so pogi. Oh my God.
Wow, Donnie Pangilinan. You look like Belle. Yes, thank you. Kinikilig ang puso. Ay, ano pala. So, kung saan gagawa ka na ng music video, sino gusto mo i-request?
Meron na.
May music video na po ba?
Meron.
Ay, oo, kanina nagsayo. Ito talaga kasi.
Kasi kumakain siya.
There's guide the music
Kasi
video.
nakagdumating kasi Miss Latin, di ba?
No, lagi naman there's another song lagi naman. In case, sino ba naman ang tatanggi if Donnie Pangilinan will be the love interest of for another song sa music video. If you can help us, why not?
Yeah, that would be nice.
Dumating ka na ng maaga, mali pa yung pinatanong mo sa